supernatural, infinite beings. We're living on this earth as human, but it's a temporary experience, okay? So let me get back up here with my shoes on. I just want, okay, that's enough. I have to go. I will see you at the next video. I'll see you at the next video. I gotta make sure I got all my stuff. I don't need to put this disguise back on. Maybe Jazzy hasn't found me yet, but I'm gone. Guys, I love you. Stay strong. Stay steadfast. Stay steadfast, unmovable, always bounding in the work and the plans of the divine creator God. Do trust him with all of your heart. Lean not to your own understanding. Don't lean on man's opinions. Don't lean on man because his fears are empowering them. Do be empowered by the words of the divine creator. He got us. He got the whole wide world in his hand. Isaiah 41:10 and 13 said, fear not, for I am with you. He said, I will hold you with my right hand. Hey, that came from him. That was a scripture that he woke me up to again this morning. He's been speaking that to me. I'm speaking it back to you. Take hold to that scripture, put it in your heart, and start trusting him. Fear not. I'm out into nature again, Destiny, on this great, beautiful Tuesday morning. And guys, I will see you at the next video. Namaste. Love you. Have a wonderful day.